Thokozani sanibonani dumelang apsheni and allo ke dumedisa ma Africa kaofela lefatsheng la Africa ke dumedisa batho ba bantsho ke dumedisa bana ba mmalomotsho batho ba kile ba wela ke hlopheho batho ba kile ba wela ke mathata re phela under different circumstances re phela under difficult circumstances re phela under the situations tse thata tse bodileng tse nkgang siphila under angazi ngizothini ama situation abolile anukayo angenamva ngenamphambili ithina bantu abamnyama thina abantu abamnyama asifunani ngokwethu thina bantu abamnyama asithandani ngokwethu thina abantu abamnyama angazi ukuthi ngathi science anani noma science. You know, at this moment I can tell you something. I mean, I'm not into political matters. There was one video feature I did, it was just a few months back, whenever I was saying ni votele EFF. But today, what can I say? Angiko ku anything in our political parties, and there is no any political party of which you khuluma ngithi right noma wrong, because of I've noticed ukuthi as an African man, as an African person, there is no politician ezwela abanye abantu ubuhlungu. There is no politician eyenzela abanye abantu ubuhlungu. Instead, politicians will negotiate from one story to another just to make a decision ezoba suitable. It has been happening since from during the Mandela times, the Thabo Mbeki times, the Jacob Zuma times, the Ramaphosa times. So it's something of which will mainly be a constant thing whenever we have our politicians, our presidents, even the other opposition parties of which we believe that bangqono bazosela ngintuthuko kuyafana. A young man Tantalax, of which has been so famous lately, has been throughout all the social medias and social platforms, uzame into which is peaceful, elwisana nokuhlupheka kwabantu abamnyama, elwisana nendaba zama drugs. But what does a fellow black man say about him? They say Ntantalax ulambile. He's doing that mainly because of ulambile. Yes, it might be true to ulambile. Obani umuntu osuthu emhlabeni? Umuntu osuthu bani? Because of even nalaba Ntantalax ulambile. Bona if bebengalambanga, why are they still there in the parliament? Why bebengaphumi ku parliament bayeke indaba zama politics and stuff? They just want to feed themselves ngamavote wethu ngeimali ekade kumele thina, free electricity, free schools, free hospitals, free police stations, free everything of which we don't see. Each and everything of which is poor, is as they say it's free, it's something of which it's so poor. Everything of which we're given, it's so poor. Everything they say is free, it's poor. Usually, ke rata ho bua na motho le mahaeng, motho dutsing ka hara ntlo, motho o llang ke re ho wena impilo ikhona. Mkhulu impilo ikhona, what can I do because of kuyimanje mina ngihlele endlini, angifune sangoma, angifune nyanga, angifune muthi, angifune swasho, angifune anything. Ndakabalalela, funa uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu is the one that will liberate your life. uNkulunkulu is the one that will change your life. Mkhulu, how do you mean? Yes. Kungaba nzima ngathi uNkulunkulu is the way of life. Kuyimanje ngizokhuluma ngesonto la ngaphakathi, kereke yasiphiri, isonto lemfihlakalo, isikhethwa, kereke yasiphiri. Mkhulu, what do you mean by the word kereke yasiphiri? Ngaphambi kokuthi ngiye kukereke yasiphiri, ake ngiqale kuqala la. Imvuselelo African Traditional Church ingena each and every Sunday 11 o'clock, iphuma ngo 1 o'clock each and every Sunday. Just try to be part of an starting ministry. Just try to be part of an starting organization kaNkulunkulu. Le uNkulunkulu wayibonakalisa ngemibono kwinyanga yoMPEDI umkhuluti kaTlego Dankenhout. Bakwethu lana ikhombo etholakalayo ebandleni. Le khombo le it is mainly 1.5. Le khombo le kuyona amanzi, utswayi, iswasho, izibani, isunlight. Le combo le, it's a family combo. Ilwisa nemimoya, ilwisa nezitha, ilwisa nemilingo efika ingenelele imoshe izinto zakho wena muntu othi into zamazambi kahle. Ilwisa nenkinga negameko efika zafaka usathana phezu kwempilo yakho. Ngimelana nemilingo nemimoya engene ekhayeni lakini. Ngilwisa nemimoya nemilingo ehleli lapho kini. Ngiyaqalekisa le moya kaSathana. Ngiyaqalekisa le moya emlingo. Ngiyaqalekisa le amadimoni. Ngithi kuwena sikhona isiwasho ofike uhlambulule umuzi wakini ngaso. Uhlambulule abantu bakini ngaso. Khona utswayi okwazi uqinisa umuzi wakini ngawo. Khona amanzi okwazi ukufutha nokuthi uqhene ukuthi ugeze ngawo ukuze impilo ekhaya ikwazi ukuba ngcono. Sikhona insipho yesunlight lehlambulula impilo yakho bese kube nezibani zamathonga lezo ofika uyigukhuleke ngazo ulwise isimo ohleli kusona. Mkhulu kungani kumele kube isonto kodwa libe namakhombo? Leli sonto linamakhombo because of lamakhombo lawa aze ngombono. Akusuthi something of which I thought ukuthi I can think and do this. No, inyanga yempilo umkhulu is healer. Umkhulu komoya. Manje umdali uveze leyinsebenzo lezi kuze abantu bonke balekeleleke nokuthi ibandla lakhe likwazi ukuthi likhule. Uma unebandla, you must think of things such as ama-transport for abantu abasuka kude, imoto ezizobalanda. Lezi imali lezi, lama-donation wenu bakwethu are either to debt kuleyo nto leyo. If you want to plant and seed to the ministry of God, the bank details are just appearing on the screen. Please make sure that you don't hesitate. You just plant your seed. Kuze ibandla likaNkulunkulu likwazi ukuthi likhule. Then ingene endabeni enkulu yataba, yakereke, yasiphiri, isonto langaphakathi, isonto lemfihlakalo, isikhethwa, mamesha, isikhethwa, hallelujah, isikhethwa Zulu, isikhethwa. Initiation fee yakhona, it is mainly 2,000 rand. That 2,000 rand you mainly paid wena muntu osemakhaya. Uma ubhata uza na 2,000 yakho ungiphatha nezibani ezu12 bese uqoka iskate mama, uqoka ibhruku lakho nebhantshi lakho baba. Then when you come, this is what will happen. You will be initiated ebandleni lemfihlakalo. Uphiwe amandla amasha. Uthole into ngakaze wayithola phezulu solo kwaphila. Mkhulu, can I become rich ngebandla lemfihlakalo? Let me tell you something straight. You can never become rich, but you'll afford your life. Uma uhamba ibandla lemfihlakalo, you will afford your life. Nyanga yempilo mkhulu othi mina nginje. Ngikhuluma nawe baba ngihleli ecofa imvamba ngihleli kuphi. What can I do? You need to make a day because of this one. I cannot do it online. I cannot send it online. Lena, you need to come straight to me wherever I am. Ngizokuphathisa lento le. Mkhulu, I'm sick. I'm not getting any help. Can ibandla langaphakathi isonto lemfihlakalo lingisize ukuthi ngiphole? Surely, swiftly. Lokusiza. Mkhulu, abantwana bami abaphasa esikolweni. It's just a mess in my house. Ndababa, come to me. Uzosizakala. Lobo nganyanga yempilo mkhulu all the way from South of Johannesburg. Siyabonga, siyathobeka. Makhosi.